Can you guess the survivor in under 60 seconds? Piece of Brain 2 edition. Hint number 1. This survivor is not unlocked by default. Unlike Commando, Huntress, and Railgunner, this survivor requires a procedure to be playable. Hint number 2. This survivor don't use launchpad. Unlike many survivor, this is only one of the few that don't use when launching. Hint number 3. This survivor was not part of the base game, but rather, it was added later in the DLC expansions. Hint number 4. This is the only survivor with unique dialogue when encountering Matrix or the False Sun. Unlike most of the survivor that have the same variety text dialogue, this survivor is unique as it holds a lore value. Final hint. This survivor really synergizes with Stone Clock's Pauldron. Did you guess the survivor? Post the answer in the comment.